Welcome, today I am with Huawei MatePad 11 and I will show you how can remove and add home screen widgets. So at the first we are going to remove these two widgets, so we have to click, hold and select remove. Confirm. As you can see, that's how we can remove widgets. If you want to add the new widget, you have to click and hold empty space on your home screen. Oh, basically we have to pinch the screen like that. Select widgets. And right now we can pick widget that we want to attach to our screen. I'm going for this weather, so we have to click once and then you will find different theme and size of the same weather widget, and I would like to apply, for example, this one. So we have to click once, it will be set up to the screen. When you want to use this widget properly, you have to accept all of the permissions, so grant location and other access. So now just be patient and wait a little bit. We can also check if the location is turned on. Yes, it is. And right now we can turn it off, and there it is. As you can see, our widget is here. We can move this widget between screens by clicking, holding and then dragging to the right or the left. So as you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.